Section 5.6 is dealing with higher degree polynomials as well as rational functions. So these first couple problems are dealing with more regressions, and the cubic regressions, this is going to have a degree of 3, which means there's going to be an x cubed, and a quartic is going to have a degree of 4, so you're going to see an x to the 4th. Now it's asking us to solve both the cubic and the quartic and decide which one's better, and they want us to use 6 decimal places. This kind of sounds excessive, but for these problems it's actually not, because of the high powers. They're more sensitive, so even if you're off by maybe a 10,000th of a decimal place, because that's getting multiplied by something raised to the 4th power, it could actually throw it off quite a bit. So because of these high powers, we need to use more decimal places in order for this to be accurate. So if you type in the numbers and get the regression, then you should get y is equal to 0.072588 x cubed minus 1.106458 x squared plus 4.92029x minus 2.945787, and my r value, r squared, let's look at that, is going to be 0.853. Okay, so let's calculate a quartic now, and the quartic is going to be y is equal to negative 0.005697 x to the 4th plus 0.197150 x cubed minus 2.000771 x squared plus 7.259095x and minus 4.577798. And my r squared value on this is 0.859. If you graph this, they're both kind of similar. Here we got some dots. They're almost the same, but the quartic is a little bit better. So the quartic is a little better. Again, looking at the r values, or the r squared values, the closer they are to 1, the better it is.